Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jody, where I deal with everything to do with motherhood. I'm a mom of 2 kids. Makeup, I used to be a self-taught makeup artist. I am a costume designer, style, I love to dress up. I actually won a style award a few years ago. So come along with me on life's journey where I show you my hectic, crazy life. Stop flirting!
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jody, where I deal with everything from makeup to style, lifestyle, and motherhood. Today, my favorite makeup artist is doing my makeup, and Chevelle, Beautiful Beginnings. And you know, I used to do people's makeup, so I'm gonna test her to see how good she really is and if she can answer the questions that I have. Because sometimes, you know, I think you need a little tweaking here and there. So I'm going to assist you. Alright, so let's test her out.
I can't, what are we doing?
So the first thing you should do as a professional makeup artist, you should have analyzed my skin.
Okay. We already did that. I've done your face before. What's next? I know what to use.
Just giving the steps.
I've done your face before.
Alright, okay. What are you doing now?
Okay. So I already tweaked the brows. As you can see, she always have her brows neat, so I don't need to do much tweaking.
Professional.
Yeah, I just trim them.
Mm-hmm.
So now she already has, her brows are dark, I see. So I don't put much product in her brows. I mostly just conceal it. Because her brows are basically perfect.
Okay, so a question I got asked, right, was when I'm doing my makeup professionally, like when I'm doing my own makeup, if I do my brows before or after. And I like to do my brows after because if I put powder on my face or whatever, it always deposits in my brows. But then I do see where a lot of makeup artists,
That's
even
good.
some that I've used before, how come they do the brows first?
You don't want the brows to look too harsh. So when the powder and everything gets on it, then it will blending nice and it looks more natural.
So you're doing my brows first?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
So I'm just going along the lines of her natural brow.
Which are perfect.
They're perfect.
So then now let me ask you a question. Back to the booger argument. Every time you do my makeup, I have to ask about the booger. So if somebody comes and they have a big booger,
I'll clean out the booger.
But how?
Or I'll tell them that I have a booger in your nose.
How do you
And then
say it
they'll
though?
do
How
it.
do you say it though?
There's a booger in your nose earlier.
But you just touched the booger. Why you just never take it out?
I will touch it, chop.
Say, excuse me, would you like to blow your nose and you hand that tissue, or do you just go up in there with a Q-tip?
No, I will hand it to them.
Okay.
And they can do it. You know, some people are kind of really skeptical about
Booger?
in them. Booger.
True.
I mean, it's a booger.
So then, what's he going to give me today? I keep asking for, you get a loot bag when you leave a party. You're not going to give me something?
No, I'm not going to give you a loot bag. If I should give everybody a loot bag,
I'm not speaking
with
about everybody.
Okay, Jody. She wants to be special all the time and everything. Jesus.
Alright, so this brings me to my next question. When you were doing my sister's makeup, right? Whose face was better?
She's so
application?
jealous, guys.
No, who has better smoother skin? Okay, so I have a little bump here.
Why are you being bad mind?
No, I'm just asking the
Tracy's
question.
face is nice. You guys look like twins. What are you saying?
But there's always a better looking twin.
Oh my god.
The makeup goes on smooth on his
Guys,
face.
this is really not my fight. This is Tina and Tracy.
No, but I think that you can be the deciding factor.
Blah, blah, blah. You both are beautiful. You both
But
have
okay.
flawless faces, okay?
No. So then now, sometimes you have people have more skin over their eyes. I have a nice space for makeup, whereas someone who is Asian does not. Do you give them a discount?
No, I don't. No.
Okay, alright. So instead of primer, you're using this? What is this?
Concealer.
So then you'll just put the eyeshadow on over this?
Yes.
Because in my professional opinion, this is also what I do. What's the longest someone has said that they wore any makeup for?
2 days. There was this one girl that came down from New York.
Mm-hmm.
She didn't have any eyebrows, so I had to literally build a brow for her from scratch. And she came to Jamaica for 2 weeks vacation, and she kept those brows for 2 weeks.
But the brows were with like makeup?
I don't know how she did it, but when her friend called me and told me that she keep the brows, like, wow.
Okay. So what's happening here now is I'm just going to take a pause to review what Chevelle is doing. So far, so good. So far, so good. So how did your skin is just so flawless? Not as much as mine. But it's so smooth and nice. What do you use on your skin?
Nothing. I'm like the worst makeup artist of life. Guys, I use bathing soap to wash my face. I don't
Are you serious?
have a skincare routine.
It's always the people that use, like guys that use regular bathing soap and they just look so good. So far guys, so far we're looking good. We're looking good. And you see, I like to work with a makeup artist that, you know, will work with my craziness. Because I just can't sit down in the chair for half an hour. How long are you gonna take?
More than crazy. She fast crazy.
Well, I have things I have to ask. Like the booger question was very important to me the first time you were doing my makeup.
Did you have a booger in your nose?
No, I just wanted to know what you would do if I had one.
I said, Jody, there's a booger in your nose.
That's why I asked the question so that I would know.
Alright, let me tell you, there are certain clients that you have a better rapport with. So, like Jody now, you say, no man, good, you want booger in your nose. But then you have some other people be like, here's a tissue. There's a little, just like you know, girl. You have to be kind of subtle with some people because everybody's personality is not the same and they might take it personal. So you have to know your clients and know how you can approach them.
Mm-hmm. So then, all right. So what if, right, you had a client and they had a little flatulence?
Jesus. You know, I've had that before, you know, but I just ignored it.
You poop on them?
No, not me. Them do it. Oh my God.
So did they say, excuse me?
Yeah, you have some clients who just tell you, say, mega poop now, you know, so. And then you have others who just do it and them don't say nothing. And them expect your nose to just know, but I smell it. But they know.
Well, not all poops smell, you know.
True, but then if you hear it, what?
Tell me what you're doing.
I was showing them the palette that I'm using, the nude Huda Beauty palette. The one Jody wanted to steal.
I was just going to borrow it for a long period of time.
No, I don't return it. So I'm going in with this shimmer pink right now on her lids. Because I already used this and another brown to smoke out the edges. If you want a more natural look,
Can you imagine?
if you want a more natural look, you can,
This is my time.
I'm a businesswoman. Oh, hello. This is probably a client.
Not more important than me.
This one I forgot you. Always a competition. Alright, so here we are finished with the lids. We just did a little shimmer pink and dusted the ends a little bit, the corners, and the crease has a light pink. I mean, Jody's light skin, so we try not to go too harsh on the light skin clients because then they're going to look like drag queens. Okay, she's a chroma, so we don't want her to look like a drag queen, so we go as light as possible.
Pretty little light skin girl.
Okay, so a pro makeup tip here that Chevelle may not know. So listen carefully, okay? So as you notice, I have almond eyes and they're rounded. So one way to elongate the eye and make it look sultry and sexy and just elongate out that almond is to do a winged liner. All right,
Guys,
so,
let me tell you a secret. I just told her that off camera.
no, that's not true. Whatever.
Alright, so we're going to go in now with the liner. We're not going to do a dramatic wing. We're just doing a regular liner.
I don't want no regular anything.
You're not getting a dramatic wing, okay?
So you have to put up with it.
You're not going anywhere. We're just demonstrating for the decent people.
Excuse me, I'm not washing this out all tomorrow at the gym.
If you ever come gym tomorrow with that.
So what if I sneeze
So to
right
get
now?
the liner, if you notice the brush, this is how I'm doing it on YouTube.
Yes, let me do it. Let me do it.
It's an angled brush. So, and you get it flat. So then the line, it cuts like a knife. So you want precision. You don't want
So I
it to
told
look
her that off
elongated.
camera. You ever dig out anybody eye?
No.
By accident?
Alright, so if you notice, I asked her to open the eyes and look down while I was doing that, because when the eyes are closed, then it inside here creases, so you can't get the liner right in. So when the eye opens and she looks down, then it straightens out, so you can put the line right across. Learn something?
Whoa, yes. Because what I do is I just hold my eye and dry it. Make me brown and slim.
No, Judy, you're white.
No.
Oh,
No,
sorry,
no,
you're
no.
a chromas. You're a chromas.
We had this conversation in the gym, and Elephant Man and I, we agree that I am a
Chromas.
right.
Elephant, if you're watching this, it's your fault.
I find you put too much white in that a while ago.
No, you're very white.
No, that's not true. I buy brown people makeup because if you want to be brown, you have to put on brown.
But you can't have your face black and your body brown. Body white.
You heard that?
Your face still light and everything, but you're doing it.
So, oh, you remember when there
Your
was
face
a,
is red.
because I
What you do
can't-
to it?
I gave myself a facial.
Jesus. She
I
gave
gave
herself a
myself a facial. But in all honesty, I don't know what happened this time. I really don't. I gave myself the facial and the next morning I had all of these bumps. I don't find this part is necessary. I find it being extra rough.
I'm gonna take me for beat her, not you.
Oh my
She
god.
deserve it. Actually, brush marks. You know, yesterday we have to get in the crease of the nose.
Do you have a booger now?
No, you don't
Okay,
have a booger
okay,
nose.
just checking. Oh,
You don't have a booger.
I'm just checking. I would hate to have a booger and then you'd be like, haha, I made you do your whole video without booger.
No.
Oh. This is big. I think that. All right.
Like my husband was doing my face once and he was beating my face. I'm like,
Yes.
"Babe." He's like, that's why you call it a face beating, a baby. No,
I
I know.
think
I
so
thought
too.
you know. He had a point. Valid point.
So your introverted clients, right? Is this the same pressure? I feel like you do extra with me.
Maybe. Cause you're rough.
Because you're rough.
No, you're rough. So I have to be rough with you. I'm not being rough, guys. Jody's just extra. Alright, so we could use minimal foundation on Jody because we want her to have a fresh
tired.
look. It's me want to be tired of my underwear. So we want her to have that fresh look, so we don't kill her face with all the makeup. Okay, now we're going to conceal under her eyes so we can hide the fact that she slept. So I've just contoured her face, give it some dimension. If you can see right here, British accent is kicking in now, guys. Yes, I had a sip of tea in the break. So yes, so contour in the forehead, giving her some cheekbones right here, give the face some dimension. So the reason why we contour and highlight, I already put the highlights though, is because we don't want a flat white face. Our natural skin is not like that. If you take a regular picture, you'll see that some parts of the skin will come out. The T-zone, that's what we call it. So you highlight the T-zone and then you contour around. So the T-zone is the part that you want to come forward in the picture, and then you contour the rest of it. So Jody knows she have a little forehead, so contour can actually make her forehead look smaller.
You're going to need more.
It creates an illusion that the forehead is smaller. The more contour you look, the more chiseled the face looks, and the more dimensions you get. Okay.
Okay. What's that?
This is setting powder. This one is from, hold on, I need to close. You want to do the honors?
Oh.
This one is from Plain in Makeup by Yolanda. Is it upside down? No, it's fine. Yes, you guys should follow her. Her products are really nice.
Jamaican?
Yeah, she's Jamaican, but she lives
Yeah.
overseas.
Oh.
This is also one of her palettes. This one is called Church Girl Palette. And as you can see, the Jamaican colors and stuff.
Let me see.
Her palettes are real pigmented and they're really nice.
Oh, this
And
is
if
nice.
you see the names, the palette is Church Girl, so she has faith, trust, love. You know, it's nice. Her
you
brand
have to
is
order
really
this
interesting.
online, or
She has some in different makeup stores here in Jamaica if you want.
where? Because I like that
There's-
palette. Those colors are nice.
Mirror has them, Beauty Efficient has them. I'm sure there are other places that stock her.
So do
stuff.
makeup artists send you their products?
Yes, she actually sent me these. She actually sent me she sent me a lot of stuff to review. But I really like her stuff, they're nice. It's nice to see Jamaicans go away and they still take the country with them. No?
As Novia would say, you send the elevator back down, you know?
Brand Jamaica. Alright, so we have done the eyes with a shimmer shadow. We did a thick black liner to bring up the eyes because she's not going to put on any lashes. So the liners will also create an illusion that her lashes are brighter. We did highlights and contouring of the face, if you can see. And now we are setting, we call this baking. I don't bake for very long, but we're just setting the concealer underneath her eyes. That's the only place I really bake, under the eyes. Now I'm gonna go into her waterline with a dark brown. As I said, she's light skinned, so we don't want to use a black for it to look too harsh, unless she definitely wants a black or she wants that high glam look for nighttime.
Chromas.
Chromas. You see, it's not too harsh, it's nice and soft, but you still give it a highlighted look. Put in some contour powder. Okay.
Whoa, that made a whole heap of difference.
Yes, it does.
Jesus.
It gives you that glam look, right? Yes.
Wow. Like, honestly, I was kind of questioning you.
Gonna see this though?
And then you put this on, and I'm like, she's not bad. She's not bad. I'd recommend her. I'd recommend her for sure. Wow.
Dum dum dum. You guys are
This
beautiful.
little sponge that keeps coming back.
It's going to haunt you. Okay, I'm gonna line the lips with a brown pencil. Why you lick your lips?
I don't know, because you were coming at them with something. What's it supposed to eat? So
Now
when
we
I
take a lip brush and we blend it out.
when I just moved back home years ago, I think I was.
This is the point where you
16.
don't talk. So
But I had a really good story.
we can tell them afterwards.
Can you see my lips moving even though I'm talking? It was a really funny story to you.
Help!
Can I tell it now?
Gloss is actually from another Jamaican. She's in Montego Bay. And she gave me these as little testers because she's gonna come out with this lip line. But she has some other products. She also gave me some to review for her and they're really nice. I really love this one. Her thing is Pageant Beauty. Or is it Pageant Boss Beauty something? But we'll
See, if
put it
you
in
said the things to
description
me
below.
to review, I would have remembered the name. I love free things.
I get so many, girl. I can't. Name is very long. That's why. But I know it's Pageant Boss. Okay. Her name is Nicole. See, I remember her name.
So when you do like a bride, right? And she
Take
looks
time, lad. You
Sorry.
just are for talk, so blend it something properly, no man.
and like her
Don't Jesus, help me. Our photo already gave your face some lips, so we just do a little pinky.
How come you're doing this after the lipstick?
It doesn't
You
matter.
forgot.
No.
All right, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Back to beating you.
Oh God.
Mhm.
This is really making me tired, you know.
This should feel like a facial massage.
No, it does not.
Oh my god, you're hilarious. That's it. Alright, so this one is from Absolute New York. I love it. They actually sent this to me as well
What
in
is
a
that?
package. It's a mascara.
Oh, I like that it's a tube.
Yeah. So Absolute New York actually sent me some products, and you can get these from the Beauty Spot here in Jamaica as well. This is really nice.
So why are you gonna put that on my eye?
I was getting to this. Jesus.
That was not very professional. That was not very professional.
I hate it, you know.
Got her.
Let me spool it.
I think the spoolie that you want to use on me fell on the ground.
No. Goodbye, Jody. so I was saying, you buy a lot of these disposable spoolers and you use them.
And
on
you
the
use them.
clients. True. Alright, look up, please.
What would make you start with the bottom lashes?
Because you have fusion on and mascara is not supposed to go on the fusion.
Oh. Why? You'll pull them out. But then I find that I need something on the top lash. This can't work.
Well, if you want it, no problem. Don't tell your lash tech I did it.
See, this is why. Okay, so when I was doing my makeup, my first makeup video for YouTube, I did a very, very, very light look. Because I find that when you put on more makeup or even like a color on the lid, you have to wear mascara. I just find I look funny without
Wear
it.
lashes.
But with the lashes, I just do a very light look. How are we doing now?
Looking beautiful. Ooh, look at her on camera.
Pretty little light skin girl, yeah. The way you a wine girl, make me have to stop everything. Me want turn you in a wifey. Pretty little diamond ring.
Alright, ready?
Hilarious.
Caribbean beauty.
So the first thing I'll be doing is borrowing some concealer. Because I don't have your color. You're a little bit browner than me.
What kind of makeup artist is this? Don't have everybody's shade. This don't make no sense. Eh?
I'm a past makeup artist. I've changed
Oh,
my
oops.
ways. Alright, so let's use, you say my makeup is dark. I'm going to use my concealer on you.
Oh, Jesus. God help me. This is a...
I don't think this is bad. This is how you conceal.
This is where you start conceal under the eyes, right?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so I'm starting with concealer. All right, so I'm going to do a quick lip. So where are you heading after this? You're probably going to head to the bathroom to wash your face, but... okay. No, I think that this is the right color for you because you want to kind of combat the fact that you haven't slept in a while. Look up. And then what is it? I'm very firm with my clients because I don't want you to feel like you can like boss me around. This is going to look really good. You're going to eat your words.
Okay.
All right, we're going to just pat that in. Actually, under there, I think I dragged it down a little bit too much, but okay, that's fine. So the next thing I'm going to do, liquid. I must use liquid foundation. All right. So what I actually used to do was I used to use an airbrush. This is what you brought. This is not your color. Is this your color? You might have to assist me a little.
You can use that one.
All right. So you put it on. This is what the makeup artists do. You put up pump. All right. Your face is big. All right. There we go. So then we're going to get the sponge. Can I use the same sponge?
Didn't that look white? Cause your white so city nice.
No, I'm not using that side. I use the big side. So what I do is apply the color. So actually, this is what the YouTubers do, and they do it in a pattern. I'm not doing anything bad so far. It's just that you have to do the you have to pull it all together. So do you see? I'm using very short jabs because I don't want to stab my client repeatedly. Oh, this is actually your color. Look to the side. This is really good. So you use this on me, so we're the same color.
I didn't use that on you.
What did you use on me? So why is this here? This is my color. This is my color. I am this tan.
No, you're not. You're white.
All right. Do you feel a difference of when I am buffing in your makeup as opposed to when you're doing mine?
No, it's like a beat my face.
No, I'm doing short.
Bite my tongue.
I'm doing short little
Oh.
little jabs, whereas you were like trying to attack me. And then anytime I said something you didn't like, they got harder. There we go. All right, next step now is contour. Everybody loves contour. Contour is a big thing. You know, if there wasn't, I don't remember all this contour thing being so popular. So this is the same color I used on myself last week. And I'm going to get my favorite little bronzer brush now. Some of these brushes are shedding because they're a little old. Can you suck in your mouth? The other way. Like, you don't even have that line. No, okay, wait. Let's get something else. Hold on. Chef, I'm doing a really good job. You look great.
I'm sure you're not here.
All right. This might be finishing, but all right. So we're just gonna carve you out right here. Maybe this. Hold on. This looks like a little red on you. You don't have powders to. Oh wait, I have something else.
What kind of brush is that? Is that a steel wood?
It's old.
Scotch Brite. Whoa.
No, this means that you get the color in there. Wait. So you wait till your brush ages like no, this color, this is probably your color, but I use this sometimes too. I love this. So I would put this right on. Oh, look at that. Oh, rotted. I haven't done the eyes. All right, hold on a second. All right, let's just backpedal one little second. I'm going to blend. Okay, so this
Am I looking, guys?
You don't look bad. This is what I would do now. So where is that little brush that you had? You used it wrong. Let me show you how you use that brush. Wait, let me use mine. Let me go back to one of my old brushes. Alright, you've really shown me here that I need to up my makeup brush game. Alright, so we're going to get again another angled brusher. This is my favorite thing to do now, by the way. So yeah, angled brush. And then I'm going to go in with, you guys know that I'm obsessed with MAC. So most of my makeup people, they didn't ask for wing liner, thank God. So close your eye. Oh wait, how do you do this? Hold on. You're not supposed to touch their skin. You're supposed to use this. Okay. And then close. And then I just shadow the lash. There you go. And it gives a nice little powdery eyeliner. So we're just gonna finish the face now. And I am not a professional, so I'm going to, well, I think this is going to be too, what do you think? All right, hold on, let me try. Stop smiling. I think this is like a stain. Stop smiling. You see me mess up that hump already.
A few moments later.
I analyzed my client before she sat in my chair. I really listened to her wants and her needs. And all right, let me get the mirror. It's not that bad, Chef. All right, forget the lippy. No. The eyebrows are supposed to look like sisters, not twins. But what I did as a professional, I gave you an option. Which eyebrow do you like better? So in one picture, you may want to look surprised, and in the other picture, you may want to look sultry. That is a professional.
Wow.
But do you like how I did it? Your eyeliner looks really good. The liner with the puff thing. Like I used the. Alright, God no.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
But alright, I find that the worst part of it is the lipstick. I think I chose the wrong color.
What's going on here?
That's the crease. You need a crease.
My lip. Jesus.
Alright, we're not. I think. Alright, the lip.
Jesus
You
Christ.
look good. You're so lucky you have such beautiful skin. Stop doing that. It's not going to crack off.
Where's the foundation for under?
I was trying to beat it up in there.
Jesus,
with
the
it. Alright, I
family,
can't.
no, the family God. You're wicked.
No, alright, okay, forget the lips. No, Chef, honestly, in all honesty, that needs to be on camera. So she just said she has these, but she doesn't use them because it's actually the product, not the application.
No, nobody wants lipstick anymore. Everybody wants lip gloss these days.
Okay, so when I was analyzing you, you had mentioned you wanted to try a lipstick. Alright, maybe I heard you wrong. You
Clearly.
look good.
Yeah.
Alright, minus the lips. What were you pointing at and complaining about? Does something need more bleeding? You know, all the time, in any profession, you just listen to your clients. So you said, what was this over here? This was, just need a little tweaking, because remember I was saying that, you know, I was having a little problem with the back and forth. So you could just tell me, there we go.
Alright guys, what say you? How much you get out of 10?
Remember what my
Oh my God.
You're back against the world. I never tried you for anybody else. A brown skin girl, got skin just like pearls. The best thing about the world. I never tried you for anybody else.